Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Infiz. Today we are going to show you how to make a simple water heater that we can use at home for boiling uh, small amounts of water. This is a water bottle and we are going to cut it here. So we have almost cut it and now it's completely cut. Now we are going to cut it here. So we have cut it. These are its two parts, one this and another this. This is a bottle lid, a lid of a large bottle. We have to cut this lid. We have cut it and made it like this, like a circle. We have to make a hole in the lid of this bottle. We are using a soldering iron for that. Yeah. So this is the hole. You see what it looks like now. These are, guys, these are two old spoons and we need them later. We'll show you. Guys, this is the bottom part of that bottle and we have to make two holes in it. We are using a soldering iron for that too. So guys, you can see these two holes right there. We had told you that these spoons are for a purpose, and do you know what? We have to fix these spoons in these holes. We are fixing these spoons by using this M-Seal. We would have used hot glue, but hot glue would melt when these spoons would get hot. So that's why. And this M-Seal is very, very cheap and we can get it easily from shopkeepers. Guys, you must already know that these are two packets of this M-Seal and we have to mix these two in order to use this. Guys, these are the two and we have to mix these. So we are mixing these in order to use it. After we mix this has turned black now. It's completely black. So turning black is the indication that it has got completely mixed and ready to use. Guys, as we already have shown you that we have fixed these spoons but temporarily, now we are going to fix this permanently by using a little bit of M-Seal. Guys, we are sorry because we didn't have to fix these spoons too early, but we have to fix these a little later. So what we have done, we have pulled these spoons out of this, and now first we have to do another thing that we are going to show you, and later we have to fix these spoons in these holes. So firstly we have to put these spoons in this. For putting these spoons in this, we have to make two holes in this. So we have fixed these spoons in this, and you know what this is? This is actually the lid of that big bottle. And now comes the time of putting these spoons in this. We had done that earlier, but we were wrong that time. So we have fixed these spoons and see what it looks like now. And now we have to use M-Seal. Sorry, not M-Seal, but we have to first put some hot glue on this surface, because we have to fix this red one and this green bottle. So we have used the hot glue to fix these, and now we are going to use some M-Seal to fix these spoons very tightly with this bottom of the bottle. So we have fixed this by using M-Seal and see what it looks like now. Beautiful. Guys, it will take you 10 or 15 minutes to get this M-Seal set because this takes a considerably long time to get fixed. So be patient and we are going to pause for 15 minutes until it gets set. Guys, we are fixing these spoons more tightly by using a little bit of by using a little bit more M-Seal, but this time on the lower side, on this side. Huh? See guys, we have fixed some M-Seal here and here. So this is fixed very tightly now. Now we have to use two wires, and these wires we have to fix on these spoons. One wire on one spoon and another wire on another spoon. So guys, we have fixed these two wires on these two spoons, and we have also put some glue on these two wires so that these wires get fixed tightly. Guys, we showed you this hole earlier we had made on the lid of this bottle, and now we are going to do what? We are going to put these wires in this hole and we are going to bring these out from another side. So we have brought these wires out of this hole, and now we are going to fix these two. So we are using hot glue to fix these two. So see how beautiful this looks. So it's complete now, and we are going to show you how this works and how does this hotten the water. So now we are going to use a little bit tape and we are going to fix that tape on this. Do you know for what? For fixing this upper part of the bottle and this lower part of the bottle, so that this gets fixed more and more tightly, so we would not have issues in the future. So we have fixed this tape here in order to fix the upper and lower parts of this bottle, and now this looks very, very beautiful. Guys, now we are going to fix this wooden piece here. Do you know why? This isn't that necessary, but this is for a purpose, and the purpose is that this will get fixed on the lids of containers more easily by this. So we have fixed this, and by this we won't have issues on fixing it on containers. So guys, here we have a bottle. This is a large container, and we are going to fix that instrument we made on this bottle. And we have told, and you can see that this is filled with water. So this wooden piece is helping us in fixing this. Guys, one wooden stick didn't help a lot, and now we are using two wooden sticks, and we have to fix them like this so that we don't have issues in fixing it on containers. So these are fixed, and now this is ready to use, we think. So it is that bottle which we have shown you earlier. Now see how easy it is to fix this. See how beautiful it looks now. These are the two ends of these wires, and now we have to plug them in. So we have to plug them in. Guys, we have plugged it in, and now we are going to turn the switch on. Now this will get hot as time passes, and you have to wait for 5 or 10 or 15 minutes hardly until this water gets hot. So we can see these water droplets are moving upwards. It means that water is getting heated up slowly and slowly. Guys, this is after 10 or 15 minutes, and this is very hot, and it will take another 10 minutes, I think, or 15 minutes to get boiled. But this, we can't show you that because we have very less time available, so we can't touch it. Literally we can't touch it, and you can see this bottle has lost its shape a little. So this is very hot, and if we put this water on our hand will get burnt. So please check it out at your home, and please do not drink that water which is boiled in plastic bottles, because that is very harmful. Please don't use it for drinking purpose. If you have to boil water for drinking, then you must put this instrument in some steel container. So guys, thanks, and if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you find our content amazing, please subscribe to our channel. And if your friends are passionate about these kinds of things, please share this video with your friends, and it's goodbye for now.